Dear students, so in the 4G 5G communication network, so let us have the topic network slicing in 5G networks. It is coming under the third unit. So let us have what is meant by the network slicing and how it has been implemented and what are the parameters that has to be considered when we are studying about the network slicing. So introduction. So the advent of 5G technology has brought about a profound transformation in the way we perceive and experience connectivity. So the network slicing is a key feature in the 5G network technology. It is not available in the fourth generation, which means that the segregation of the data based upon their speed. When we are getting more speed, those things has been segregated when compared with the data that required less speed for the transaction, and similarly for the average speed also the segregation is done. So beyond the promise of faster internet, 5G represents a fundamental shift in the very architecture of communication networks. At the forefront of this revolutionary change lies a technology known as network slicing. So network slicing in 5G is like having a different lanes on a highway for different types of vehicles. So when you look at the highways, the highway is consisting of different lanes, especially three lanes. So the three lanes are for the heavy vehicles, the light motor vehicles, and then for two-wheelers. So depend upon the speed, it has been divided. So the heavy vehicles are always at the right corner, in between the light motor vehicles, cars, van, auto, like that. Then two-wheelers, all those two-wheelers are moving in the leftmost. So like that we are having the highway with different lanes. The network slicing is having enhanced mobile broadband EMBB, ultra reliable low latency communication URLLC. Then the third one is a massive machine type communication. So let us have the deep explanation about the all those three things: EMBB, URLLC, and massive machine type communication. Enhanced mobile broadband means which is the data where the data is transmitting in a wider range in a broadband way. That is, as the name implies, here we can say it as a broadband, which means that the data are moving in an enhanced mode. Then ultra reliable low latency communication. The low latency is required for certain data transaction during the communication. That is ultra reliable low latency communication. In the first one, the speed is not much as maximum. That is average speed. In the second one, low latency communication. Whereas in the third one, massive machine type communication, which means that more data networks are needed. So why slicing is matters? There are 5 different things that is given for this slicing, mainly for the understanding purpose, that is customization at its best. So you can customize your own network path provided such that based on the speed. Efficiency redefined, you can also redefine your efficiency. For each slice, efficiency skyrockets. This not only reduces operational cost but also makes better use of the network infrastructure. Endless possibilities for smart cities and autonomous vehicles to virtual reality and remote health care. The potential applications are boundless. Improving QoS. QoS is which means that, as everybody is knowing, quality of service. So by segregating this slicing, or by slicing this network data, the quality of services can be improved. Then finally, economic viability. By offering the cost-effective way to provide services for diverse industries, network slicing makes an adoption more economically viable. This is particularly important in the era of digital transformation. So, what are the step-by-step process for this network slicing? Slicing creation. The network operator defines the parameter for each slice, including bandwidth, latency, and security requirements. Resource allocation. Dedicated resources are allocated to each slice, ensuring it has the necessary capacity of its intended use. Then isolation and management. Each slice is isolated and from the others, providing independent network functions, management and control. So anyhow, the network slicing is an important topic in the third unit, where it may be asked for the 6 mark or under 8 mark questions. So the key point is that, as it is already mentioned, that EMBB, URLLC, massive machine type communication. So I just conclude this network slicing is eagerly separating the data rate based on the network. So thank you for the understanding. Keep watching for the further topics. Thank you.